Dear children, today we are going to learn a new poem. Last class we have enjoyed with the poem Importance of Hard Work, right? So the lesson completed. Now the lesson and grammar part we have completed. Now we can enjoy with a poem. So just change. So we can enjoy with the poem now. So what is the poem? My bed is a boat. So how is your bed? Is it looking like a boat? You enjoy that one? Yes, my bed is a boat. So how beautiful it is. See this one. But here, the memories of childhood have their own kind of nostalgia. The memories of childhood have their own kind of nostalgia. What is the meaning of nostalgia? Sentimental longing or wistful affection for a period in the past. Wistful affection for a period in the past. So what is this? Nostalgia. Nostalgia. Very important meaning, Nana. So in your life also so many times you use this nostalgia. What is this nostalgia? Remembering past things, what happened in our life. Remembering past things, what happened in our life. So what did they give meaning here? A sentimental longing, sentimental longing or wistful affection for a period in the past. So sometime in the past. So what are the memories we have in the past? Our life, childhood days or in the completed days. In that whatever the memories we have, those we can say, remembering that we can say nostalgia. Okay ma? Past memories we can call it nostalgia, very simple way. Textbook they have given that one means we should learn it. A sentimental longing or wistful affection for a period in the past. So very sentimentally always we remember, or else we wish to, we were affectionate with that. Yes, it's a very good one, or else very bad one. Like this. What happened in the past to remember. That we call it nostalgia. Okay, children. So that is the nostalgia. So every childhood, in our childhood we have so many memories. So many memories we have. So that's why those nostalgia we can say. Then with the passage of time, one feels more attached to this childhood. So then it is going on. When you are growing up, childhood days you remember always, na? Even your parents they say, in my childhood days, like this they say every time, na? Even we are also telling, in my childhood days I did like this. We are telling, na? Yes. So the best period of a man's life. So generally in our life, childhood is the best period of life. We enjoy everything. A child has no worries. Why this childhood is the best period? No worries at all. No responsibilities, no worries. And anxieties and no work. So no anxieties also. Anxiety means nervousness or else a feeling of worry. Anxieties means, so what is that? Anxieties, ANXIETIES. Anxieties means a feeling of worry, nervousness. 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 So do you have any nervous feeling? No. But when you are growing up, no, I can't do like this, you get it. But now you are very good children, so you can do any kind of work. Okay, children. So that's why childhood is the best memory to us, best time also in our life. So anxieties and no work. Do you have any work except studies? No. Simply you can listen to the class, you can learn, and remaining time you can play with your friends. But your parents, no, should go to the office and do the work, any pending work, again they should do at home and look after for you everything, right? They have so many responsibilities. But for you, no. So, he is free from the dirty and filthy noises of the world. So, he is free from the dirty and filthy noises. What is the meaning of filthy? Filthy also, not dirty also. Unnecessary noise. So, unnecessary noise means not of giving the reasons to everyone. So, filthy also we can take it dirty. Dirty. So, stupid things. Dirty here, that means stupid things. So, do we get any stupid things in that age? No. So, he is free from the dirty and filthy noises of the world. So, whatever the world will criticize you? No. But when you grow up, if you don't do any work or else if you don't look after your children or your parents, yes, the total world will scold you. Na? So, and if you look after also, sometimes the world criticize you. So, that's why no worries at all now. And his motto of life remains. His motto of life remains, eat, drink and be merry. So, childhood days, what is our motto? What is our main intention? What is our work? Eat, drink. Whenever you feel hungry, eat it. Whenever you feel thirsty, drink. And then you enjoy, be merry, happy. Okay, be merry means enjoy your life. So, merry, what can we write? So, a very happy manner. Merry means very happy manner. Very happy manner. So, enjoy your life in a happy manner. So, that way, that is a childhood motto generally we have. The charm of childhood cannot be forgotten. Charm means very attractive. Charm means very attractive. So, that is very pleasant and attractive. So, charm means very pleasant and attractive. What is that, Nana? Very pleasant and attractive. So, children face, if is very attractive, na, your face is also looking very charm. But do we have that kind of charm? No. You have very beautiful and charming faces. Right, children? And these memories have everlasting impression on one's life. These have everlasting. Everlasting means continue for long time. Continue total life period. And for the impression. Impression means an idea or feeling about something. Impression means, yes, I have no impression on you means you don't like that person. That means you have no feeling at all. You don't have any good opinion like this. Okay? A feeling or idea. A feeling or idea of something or someone. Of something or someone. So, that we can say impression. So, that is a feeling or idea of something or someone. So, that we can impression. So, we have some idea, something is there, our memories. Na? Yes, we have some impression. So, here childhood days like this we enjoy, those will become beautiful memories to us. Okay, children. So, now see the poem. It's a time to recite the poem. What is the poem? See this. My bed is like a little boat. Nurse helps me in when I embark. She girds me in my sailor's coat and starts me in the dark. See that. My bed is like a little boat. So, how the bed is looking? Little boat. Nurse helps me in when I embark. So, nurse helps me. Nurse means maybe in the hospital's bed, like this we can take na. So, helps me in when I embark. Embark means I am starting with excitement. Embark means start something with excitement. Embark means starting and starting with excitement. Starting with excitement. So that we can call it here in this poem, embark. Okay, children. So nurse helps me in when I embark. So when I am starting with excitement, nurse helped me. So now my little boat. My bed is like a little boat. At that time she helped me when I start my journey. What? She girds me in my sailor's coat. She girds me. Girds means prepares. So GIRDS nana. GIRDS, actually Hindi word it is. She girds me. She girds means prepares. So she prepared me in the sailor's coat. So when you go to the hospitals also, they give the different, in the emergency ward or else ICU means, they give the different kind of dress and they do na. So like this here maybe we can feel in his dream. And starts me in the dark. So and starts me. So it's a night time in the dark. I'm going. So what is that? My bed is like a little boat. That bed, how it is? Like a boat. Nurse helps me in when I embark. She girds me in my sailor's coat. So some different kind of coat. And starts me in the dark. So what do we have? The rhyming words also. See this? Boat, coat. Second and fourth line, embark, dark. Right, children? So see the next one, Nana. At night I go on board and say, good night to all my friends on shore. At night I go on board and say, good night to all my friends on shore. I shut my eyes and sail away and see and hear no more. So sail away. So to whom can he say, who are those friends? Fellow sailors, na? He is going for sailing. So then remaining sailors, he said, good minor. Yes. At night, I go on board. Board, that is moving from the vehicle. So, and say, good night to all my friends on shore. So, on shore means at the seashore remaining place. There who stood, yes, I said good night to all my friends. I shut my eyes, I closed my eyes, shut means close. Closed my eyes and sail away. So started my boat and I went away and see and hear no more. So when we start to move away from these friends, can we hear any voice? No. So I went like that. Who went here? The poet. I means here the poet only. And sometimes, so see that poem once again, Anna. At night I go on board and say, good night to all my friends on shore. I shut my eyes and sail away and see and hear no more. I cannot see, I cannot hear any voices or any people no more. So I moved away. And what are the rhyming words here? Say, away, shore, more. Okay, children. And see the third stanza. And sometimes things to bed I take, as prudent sailors have to do. Perhaps a slice of wedding cake, perhaps a toy or two. So, and sometimes things to bed I take. So, I am on the bed. So, sometimes when I try to take some things, what are those? As prudent sailors have to do. As prudent. Prudent means showing very much care. So, the sailors, how they care, like that they are caring, and I should take care of myself. Prudent. Prudent. Prudent means here showing care. Prudent sailors means how the sailors show the care. That we can take it. Prudent means showing care. Sailors have to do. How the sailors they should take care of, like that they are doing. Perhaps a slice of wedding cake. A piece, a slice, a part of wedding cake. Perhaps a toy or two. So anything if I want to eat it, or if I want anything to play, a toy with one toy or two toys like this, they are taking care of much on me. So, what are the rhyming words, Nana? Take, cake, do, to. So, and sometimes things to bed I take, as prudent sailors have to do. Perhaps a slice of wedding cake, perhaps a toy or two. Right? When I try to take, they are showing very much care. And see the last stanza, ma? All night across the dark we steer, but when the day returns at last, safe in my room beside the pier, and I find my vessel fast. See this. All night across the dark we steer. So, all night, total night, across the dark, in the darkness only, we steer. We steer means we control the movement of the vehicle. Steer in the sense, steer. Steer means steering, you know, na? Steer means what do we do? Steering. We control the movement of the vehicle. So, steer also same. To control the movement of vehicle. Control the movement of vehicle. That we do steer. So, with the steering, night time total across the world in the dark he went. But when the day returns at last, yes, when the day returns, this has happened night time. But when the morning happened, what happened? Safe in my room beside the pier. So, safe in my room. Where was he? In the room only, beside the pier. Pier means P-I-E-R. Pier means a wall between two openings. So, a wall between two openings. A wall between two openings. So, that means here we can take it. Here in the room only, total surrounding walls, and he was very protectedly kept on the bed. But he thought in the night he went to the sailing journey. Did he go really? No, in the dream he went by saying the goodbye to all his friends. He went there some place. But in the morning when he got up, he realized that he was in the room only. So, when the nurse set up, total dark means he imagined that he went for sailing. Right, children? So, safe in my room beside the pier, I find my vessel fast. I find my vessel. Vessel means vehicle. So, here the bed, boat bed. So, very fast. So, first he tried to find it, but he couldn't find that one. Okay, ma? So, what are the rhyming words we have in the last one? Steer, pier. And last, fast. So, all night across the dark we steer. But when the day returns at last, safe in my room beside the pier, and I find my vessel fast. So, immediately he tried to find his vehicle. Where is it? So, night time I went for the world journey by sailing, but now nothing. I was in the room only. That in the dream what he got, the poet said, that is, my bed is a boat. So, he imagined his bed is a boat. That's why he went for sailing in the dream. When he woke up, he realized that he was in the room only very safely. Right, children? Do you get this kind of dreams? Yes, very nice. So, all of you read the poem once again.